Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make professional feed ads using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the social media tab, the video tab, sorry. And in the video tab, if you scroll to the right a little bit, you will find the feed ad video portrait mode. And when you tap on it, it's going to create for you the editing file, which already has the perfect ratio and quality for such feed ads. And from here, you have two ways to go. You can either upload and add your own videos, or you can add videos from the Canva library, which has like the thousands of videos. You can use those for free, but you can also go and choose one of these templates on the top. And these templates are made by professional designers, which is really helpful, and I would recommend using these for everyone. They have templates for any different industries, as you can see, from restaurants to coffee to books to even to real estate. And these ads are you just add these templates. These are animated and beautifully made, and then you can go and customize it. You can change the text, you can add your own logo, you can even change the colors if you want to create a different approach to this. You can always change it and make it your own. As you can see, it's very easy to customize, but it still keeps that professional look to it. As you can see, all these little ads look very professional, and as I mentioned, there are ads for any different products. As you can see, like beauty products, here you can just tap on the picture and you can upload your own product images. You can upload your own photos or videos, but it is very easy to customize. Let's see another one. There are coffee, travel ads, or even restaurants, wines, gaming ads. Just add here the template, then go and customize, change the text, and you are pretty much done. And it's a lot cheaper than hiring a professional designer, and it's a lot more professional than creating it for yourself. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one. Bye.